The Lenovo Miix 520, $999, is gunning for the Microsoft Surface Pro, planning to give huge numbers of the highlights of this famous Windows tablet at a small amount of the cost. It's a troublesome undertaking, made significantly harder by the way that numerous other PC creators are endeavoring to do a similar thing. Yet, doubtlessly that it's a beneficial interest, since the high cost of a respectably arranged Surface Pro is maybe its most noteworthy disadvantage. Lenovo prevails on the most vital fronts: an intense 8th age Intel Core i5 processor and a valuable stylus, for example, however neglects to enhance some basic tablet downsides, for example, poor battery life and awkward ergonomics for lap utilize. All things considered, the Miix 520 is obviously the best mid-range Windows tablet you can purchase at this moment. Adaptable design. The Miix 520 is insignificantly transformed from its forerunner, a year ago's Miix 510. Both are Windows tablets with included brilliant console covers. The cover ensures the Miix 520's 12.2-inch, Full HD, 1920 by 1080 screen when you're not utilizing it, and its pogo-style connector attractively disengages when you need to utilize the gadget in tablet mode. The whole bundle is intended to contend as much with customary workstations and 2-in-1s as with top-of-the-line tablets, particularly the 12.9-inch Apple iPad Pro with its discretionary smart keyboard cover. With console joined, the Miix 520 weighs 2.65 pounds and measures 0.6 by 11.8 by 8.1 inches, HWD. That is imperceptibly slimmer and lighter than the Miix 510, which is 0.8 inches thick and weighs 2.71 pounds with its console. While you would unquestionably view these tablets as thin and light, nor is as padded as the lightest customary scratch pad, for example, the 2.45-pound HP Spectre 13 or the 2-pound LG Gram 13. They additionally aren't as thin as ordinary tablets. The iPad Pro is 0.27 inches thick, contrasted in the Miix 520's 0.4-inch thickness without the console. Basically, you are exchanging a touch of versatility for a considerable measure of adaptability.